What's good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you're new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafea. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, babies, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's video, I'm going to be making steamed fish for the first time my way. Disclaimer, me no chef. I ain't no chef. But also a hungry belly girl, I look for something to eat. Oh, all of this start off because if you know me, you know that I'm not a fish person. So for me to just come and say that I'm going to make fish, like everyone that knows me is probably looking like, girl, are you this? But I was on TikTok and like I saw this video with somebody making a steamed fish, right? I said, right, that look good, them good on the night time. Mind you, I was hungry too. Mind you, the person that good on the steamed fish making, I said, no, stop. This look good. Would I eat some of this right now? So I'm going to boom, go in the fridge, fish today, go in a little seasoning tray, all of what I need today. So I say, yeah man, active, I go get active. Somebody tell me, I say, no, so I really go look more steamed fish for the first time, and so said so done, just say I'm gonna make it into a video too. Alright, so first things first, we need the fish. Guys, we really don't know fish. Now the freezer one bag of fish me confused. Like I'm gonna want to go waste out no fish. So and I don't know if it's a case where I have specific fish with specific like cookings. For example, I don't know if certain fish is just for frying, I don't know if certain fish is just for steaming, but I'm gonna go through the parcel of fish them out in my freezer and see I live here with my dad, y'all. So if you want to say, oh, if you don't know what kind of fish, but I live with my dad bought those fish. So I'm gonna just go through the parcel of fish them, look to see if I see fish what I see or no see a steamed fish because of fish when we eat already. Or look that way.
Oh, you know, Chin can't put up a picture and write a capture. Chin dance like a bat. I pay a vice note, she's saying.
Like, I'm going to just look to see if I see no fish, like what people that use to make steamed fish. Whether in a video or whether fish when we eat already, a steamed fish. Okay? I thank you, bye. Alright, like, my wish I could have there my terrace better. But you can't, like, you know what I mean? Fish, that's a parcel. Fish, this is another 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 parcel. Fish. Like my dad is a seafood person, y'all. So yeah. But I think I didn't fish. Me eat a steamed fish. The other fish that don't look so steamy. Jesus Christ. Oh, sorry. To call it the garden in vain. Like, me no know if you don't understand what I say, guys. Like, certain fish, like, you just know, so them the fish not going to taste good if they steam or if they fry. Like, certain fish. I feel like certain fish are just for fry and certain fish are just for steam, you know? Or I don't know if every fish can fry and steam and still taste good. But I don't remember. I'm sorry, so I never take them out long time. So they can, so they could have gone out. But, yeah. Look, you see this from here, so it looks small in the picture, but this is a whole freaking fish. This is a whole fish. See one fish, one next one under here, so see one next one here, so one next one here, so this can't go in my pot. I have done to steam this thing, so I'm not steam this, even if it look like it could have steamed. So back in the fridge that go. But then you look like some steamers in there. No, so I'm gonna think them here, eat them here as fried fish. I never get them here as steamed fish yet. But this past the steamed fish vibe, you know? This past the steamed fish vibe. Alright, I'm gonna catch that one side. And them here too. Alright. Give me 1 minute. Yeah, so I had to make a call and ask my dad which one of the fish to use to steam because your girl was hella confused. But yeah, and as it turned out, I was right, somewhat, because what I was saying, certain fish just taste better fried and certain fish just taste better steamed. So yeah, so y'all, these are the fish that I picked out and this is what we're going to be working with. Alright, so the fish then towed and everything, we're going to wash the fish to start seasoning up the fish. Washing my fish with the vinegar. Also, I forgot to mention that the fish, they're already scaled and cleaned out and everything. Alright, so after I wash the fish, now I go add my powder seasoning. But before I add my powder seasoning, I just go make some like slices on the fish so the seasoning can seep in better. Yeah. Now onto seasoning. Alright, so meanwhile the fish are marinating the seasoning and everything to one side, we go food prep. So I'm gonna cut up my ground seasoning and I'm gonna cut up my veggies, then I'm gonna start cook. So the ground seasonings that I'm going to be using are garlic, onion, scallion and thyme, sweet pepper, hot pepper. Now the veggies that I'm going to be using are pumpkin, corn, potatoes, Irish potato that is, okra, Jesus, and the carrots. Alright, so after cutting up all the seasonings, I placed them on my cooking board. Now I have all the ground seasonings at the front right here and all the veggies at the back and right here. Okay y'all, so let's get cooking.